Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about how to recover your Hostinger if you lost access to your email address. Now if you go to this website, login like Hostinger login page, so you will see like all these options, basically Facebook, Google email address. Now in case you lost access to your email, so just create on this option can't access your account, so just click here and you will see these three options like lost two-factor authentication, lost access to email, or you forgot your email. So what is your issue? So let's say in our case, which is lost access to email, just select this option, and inside this section just make sure to enter the recovery email address. Now you can just enter whatever email. Let's say I want to enter this email address, or let me just enter my email. And once you enter your email, so they will ask you like enter an alternative email address where we can send further instructions to help you regain access to your account. So this is basically a kind of recovery email or a new email where you want to receive the data regarding the account recovery and etc. So let me just enter this email address as well. Just make sure to enter the details, click on start account recovery, and once you click here, as you can see, like account recovery request submitted successfully, you will receive email with further instructions. Now, this is basically they will send the instructions to the new email address that you have chosen from this section, and they'll tell you like how you can recover it. So make sure to wait until they send the instructions, and they might ask you to contact their support or enter the same password that you were trying to access the email, as you lost to access to the email, not the password. So make sure to try that password, or they can ask for further instructions as well, which you will be able to add if you are the real user or you are the owner. So make sure to recover all those details, enter those details, and after that you will be able to log into your Hostinger account. So that is all about how you can recover your Hostinger account if you forgot your email. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.